Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Apple Pay payment declined or your Apple Pay transaction declined. So guys, when you try to purchase anything through your Apple Pay and you will see this type of error that your transaction or payment has been declined again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this guys you need to go back and simply you have to scroll it down, click on general and check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN and now you need to go back. From here you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And guys, now you need to set your date and time on automatically and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to go back. So guys, after doing all these method, then guys you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. If still not fix your problem, then you need to open your Apple wallet. And guys, if you have added any debit or credit card in your Apple Pay, then guys you need to delete your old payment method and you need to add a new debit or credit card. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. And if still not fix your problem, then you need to check your balance in your debit or credit card. If you have sufficient balance, then you need to add some funds in your account, and after this you can make your purchase easily without any error. And guys, after doing all these method, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. Open your Apple Sport app, select your gadget here, click on more and scroll it down and click on wallet option, and now you have to click on call. And guys, you need to call at these numbers and you have to tell your problem that your Apple Pay payment has been declined or transaction declined, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.